Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to create a creature collecting role-playing game within Roblox Studio. This journey begins with understanding the powerful tools at your disposal and meticulously planning your game's fundamental elements. You will learn to set up your development environment, grasp the basics of building and scripting, and lay the groundwork for an immersive world. A solid plan, focusing on 2 or 3 core mechanics, is essential for a successful and engaging experience. Now, let's bring your world to life. Roblox Studio offers robust tools for crafting expansive and varied landscapes. Utilize the terrain editor to sculpt mountains, valleys, and oceans, creating unique biomes for your creatures. Next, design and animate your creatures, giving them distinct appearances and movements. Finally, script the logic for how these creatures will spawn and interact within your meticulously crafted environments, perhaps appearing in specific zones or at certain times. The heart of any creature collecting game lies in its core mechanics. You will need to develop a compelling turn-based battle system, allowing your creatures to engage in strategic combat. Simultaneously, design an intuitive user interface for players to manage their collected creatures, view their stats, and access their inventory. Crucially, script the intricate logic that governs how players acquire new creatures, whether through discovery, capture, or other engaging methods, ensuring a rewarding progression system. Finally, it's time to refine and polish your creation. Implement advanced scripting for player progression, including experience points, leveling up, and engaging quest lines that guide players through your world. Optimize your game's performance to ensure a smooth and enjoyable experience across various devices. Rigorous testing is paramount. Identify and fix bugs, then gather feedback from players to make continuous improvements. This iterative process will elevate your game from good to truly exceptional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.